Alright guys, we're going to jump right into the video, and today I'm going to show you guys how I lay my lace frontal wigs. And I'm going to begin by cutting out a little hole area by the ear, and this is just to make the little sideburn area lay down a little bit more. As you guys know, that this is the hardest area to that lays down, so to help that out, you're just going to cut out a little hole area, and so that make the area lay a little bit flat. And I'm just going to do this to both sides of the ear. Alright guys, so next I'm going to take my Got2b freeze spray, and I'm going to spray that all along the edges. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to rub that in to keep it from running. So yeah, I'm just going to take that and just blend that in really well. Alright guys, so next I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm just going to blow that dry. I'm going to make sure it gets really hard. And I'm just going to repeat that step several different times just so I can get that really hard look. Alright guys, so now it's time to start cutting the excess off, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to start cutting down the center all the way up until I get to that dry area, and then I'm going to cut across and just start cutting all the excess off. Alright guys, so this is the reason for cutting that hole by the ear area. As you can see how flat it lays next to this sideburns. You won't have that flap up. So yeah, that was the reason why. You see how it's flapping up right here on this side. I didn't do that quite as well, but I am going to fix it. But do you see how it's laying really flat on the other side over there? Yes, and I'm trying to get the other side to do the same. But yeah, this is the reason why I cut that little hole, to make sure the area where the sideburns is lay flat. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back in. I'm going to cut off the excess from the previous cut that I did. You don't want those little pieces there. You want your lace to lay as flat as possible. So yes, I'm going back in. I'm cutting off all those little excess pieces. You want your lace to lay flat, sister. Alright, so if you guys are wondering why I'm using this dark brown stocking cap, the reason why I use this dark brown stocking cap is to keep me from having to go back in and use that powder foundation to blend in with the lace in my scalp. So yes, I use a dark brown stocking cap instead of the light brown stocking cap. And so yeah, I'm just going to go back in and blow dry some more, and I'm going to continue to cut off that excess pieces. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my wig and I'm just going to make sure everything is lined up before I begin applying the glue. And now I'm going to take my bowl hole glue. Whoops, that's a little bit too much. I'm going to take my bowl hole glue and I'm just going to go along the edges. And I really should have spread it a little bit further apart. But I do have it kind of close, but that's okay. And I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to blend that in along the edges on both sides.
on the track. Rock dancing.
So I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to blow this dry a little bit, because you don't want to apply your wig with that glue that white. You want it to be clear. So I'm going to try to speed up the process by blow drying it. And I will be applying several layers, so I think it's probably like the second one, but I will be applying several layers because I want that lace to lay down. I'll be wearing this wig for several weeks, for a while, so I just want to make sure that it lays down really well. So I will be applying for several layers, so you will see that. But you do want it to dry clear and not apply your wig while the glue is white. Right here, so I'm just gonna apply the wig and make sure that it lays flat and secured. So yeah, you'll see how I lay it flat and make sure that it's really bonded and sticking to that glue. Alright, so right here I'm just going to go back in and apply a little bit more glue in some places that I did miss. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. My battery did go dead in my phone, so you will see it's going to be a very short clip at the end of this, but my phone did go dead. But yeah, I enjoyed making this video for you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.